Hey YouTube, let me show you this rose Vox Box from Influenster that I just received this afternoon. Because you are an influencer. Yes, baby. Okay, we got the card with the information. Actually, I've already opened this one, so I'm just pretending like it's the first time I'm seeing this. Kiss gradation polishes. See that? It has the fading effect for your polish. And we got some mascara from Rimmel. And lint. I've actually eaten the chocolate. See, it's empty. And Belvita. And it's opened. I just took a bite earlier and it's really delicious. There you go, nutritious sustained energy from Belvita. We got VitaBath, and this isn't bath soap, it's actually lotion. They're hydrating lotion. And lastly we got Dr. Scholl's for her cozy cushions. I think I can really use this for all my boots. There you go. So those are our products from the Rose Vox Box from Influenster. Yay! Thanks, Influencer, and I'll post more pictures and maybe some reviews of these stuff. Thank you for watching.